Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty today. The market today opened with a very huge gap up. Yesterday we discussed that this will be our support area. Once the market opens flat and gives a bullish candle, we could go for a target, which is the region around 15,750 will be our target area. But the market today opened with a huge gap up and already opened nearby our target area around the price range of 15,794. Morning profit booking was happened around here and made a consolidation for a while. So this was the area where previously consolidation also made. So once the consolidation was happening around time of 11:30, it gave a breakout above the consolidation range. So once it has been got breakout, it moved near to the resistance, our resistance, which is around 15,800. So how could we take the trade for tomorrow? So we clearly see that this will be acting as a support for us tomorrow. The region around 15,775 will be acting as support for tomorrow, and we could clearly see that it is traveling like a channel. Okay, so it is already nearby the resistance area. The market is already nearby the resistance area. If the market opens flat tomorrow, around the price range of 15,820, around 15,820 to 15,830, and closes with a bullish candle of 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle, you could go for a buy by keeping that candle's lower stop loss, and your target might be our next resistance level, which is 15,880 to 15,890, which is previous high. So this will be acting as our next target for buying side. So if the market opens flat and closes with a bearish candle, or else it opens with a little gap down, you could go for a sell, and your target will be our support area, today's support area, which is around 15,770. So we'll be going for selling once the market opens flat and crosses below 15,800, breaking down the channel. You could go for a selling, and our target will be 15,770. So once this support also gets break, which means below 15,750, we could be looking for another selling signal, because here a gap is remaining, so it may also fill the gap. So once the bears get stronger over here and also breaks the support area, we'll be looking for another selling opportunity by keeping our stop loss over this region, and our target will be the previous gap, which is around 15,700. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. So yesterday we discussed that the Bank Nifty is traveling in uptrend, so we draw a trend line over here. So if the market has to be break the trend line below and sustain below it to sell up to the support level of 34,550. Until then we will be not be selling on today. So today the market opened gap up, and it already hit our target. As we discussed earlier, it hit our target, so the resistance becomes a support, and the market gradually moves over to the supply area. Let me change it to 5 minutes time frame, so that will be clear about the traveling area zones. Yeah, so today this was the consolidation area. So this is the, wait a second, yeah, so this will be acting as a support for tomorrow. So this is the region, it will be acting as support for tomorrow. We'll be going for selling once the market crosses below 35,630 or 620. Market crosses the 35,600 will be a much safer entry for selling. So market once closes below 35,630 with a bearish candle, we will be going for a selling. And our target might be the support area, which is around 35,400 and 450. 450 will be our target on the selling side. So the market is already nearby the supply zone, so for buying we have to wait for a good buying opportunity. The market has to cross above 35,800, which was previous highs. We could see that. Let me change into 30 minutes time frame. So we could see that here the market has rejected so many times, so it is a very good rejection area. This is around 35,800. So once it has been got breakout, we'll be looking for our next targets. 36,300 will be a long term target for the bank nifty, which is the next resistance level. So until then we'll be looking for a selling side. So for tomorrow, if the market opens flat and closes below with a bearish candle, we could go for a selling and our target will be 35,450. Now let us look on some stocks. So it is Tech Mahindra. It is in 15 minutes time frame, so it is already nearby the support area. So once the market opens flat tomorrow and closes with a bullish candle, keep that candle's lower stop loss and go for a buy. And your first target will be 1058 and second target will be 1064 on the buying side. And here also we could see that the market has rejected so many times here, so it will be acting as a very good support area. We'll be looking for some buying opportunity over this zone. Next stock is HCL Tech. So HCL Tech also, we should discuss that HCL Tech's will be on a selling side once it crosses below 975 level, and today the HCL Tech hit its target and now it's nearby the resistance support level. It has formed a double bottom kind of pattern. It is a bullish reversal pattern. So once if the market opens flat tomorrow around the price range of 970 to 971 and closes with a bullish candle, we could go for a buy, and our first target will be 975 and second target will be 980 on the buying side. We could only go for a sell below 962. Below 962 will be our selling level. If the market opens with a huge gap up, let us wait for the price action. If we get any kind of a bearish candle confirmation over this resistance area, which is around 982, if any bearish candle forms over this area, we will be going for a selling by keeping that candle's high as a stop loss. Next stock is HDFC. Today HDFC opened with a gap up and it moved very good higher. Let me change into 5 minutes time frame. So we could see here it is nearby the resistance area. It is nearby the resistance area. So once the market opens flat tomorrow and closes with a bearish candle below 2533, you could go for a selling and our first target will be 2520 on selling side. And if the market opens flat and closes with a bullish candle, you could go for a buy. Closes with a bullish candle, you could go for a buy. Start with a minimum quantity once until the market breaks up the channel. Go with a minimum quantity, keep that candle slow or stop loss. Once the market crosses above the channel, you could add the quantity and our next target will be 2570 on the buying side. So this is for HDFC stocks. Hope you have liked the video. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading, and tomorrow is on Wednesday, so there will be a huge volatility in the markets, so trade with minimum quantity. So today the Nifty 50 closed 26 points higher from the opening price, and Nifty Bank closed 246 points higher from the opening price. Have a happy trading tomorrow. Thank you.